Good morning and welcome to Makeup with Meesh, the show where you get ready with me in the morning before work. You might notice I have a massive ring light next to me. That's because we're gonna try something fun today. I've been wanting to record a couple of TikToks, like makeup TikToks, so I know this looks a little weird, but a little behind the scenes look, okay? Let's see how it goes. Dr. Dennis Gross, Alpha Beta Peel. I do know that I need more ring lights in my life. My husband, literally for work, he records content. He works at Google. He does developer content, so he's a software engineer. He makes a bunch of technical content for Google Analytics. He leads that department. He has all this recording equipment. Google just sent a teleprompter to our house. It just showed up the other day, and he's like, oh yeah, that's my teleprompter. I'm like, why do we have a teleprompter in our home? The good side of that is when we started streaming, we literally had everything. We have these mini lights that I have set up over here, the camera and everything. We didn't have to buy a single thing. The other day, I was like, man, I need a ring light. He's like, oh yeah, I got a few of those. And he comes down the stairs with this and a little clicker from my phone and a microphone and all this stuff that plugs in my phone. And I'm like, dude, we need to be leveraging this stuff. What is it doing? We just have an equipment closet upstairs. It's like Best Buy essentially. And I'm like, I don't even know about this stuff. So, okay. And then we'll do number 2. So I posted my finished look like I do on Instagram and was like, you have brown eyes, you should try to do purple and pink shadows because that's opposite on the color wheel. But I haven't really ever tried purple. I don't know, purple feels like a pretty dramatic color to wear for everyday makeup to the office. I feel like if I'm wearing purple eyeshadow or something, it's part of an overall look. I don't know, I just haven't incorporated a lot of color into my eyeshadow. Even though I buy these large Morphe palettes, I feel like a good chunk of them, especially if it's not a solid neutral palette, have pretty bright colors. They're just essentially untouched in mine. So I think today we're going to try some pinks and purples. Sunscreen and moisturizer. This is the Road & Fields moisturizer I use every day. Okay, so I'm going to put a lot more of this super goop on my neck. All right, let's get the beauty blender wet. We're still using our old trashy beauty blenders that remove my makeup instead of putting my makeup on because my Sephora shipment hasn't gotten here yet. But I just got a tracking notification, so it should be coming soon and we will get to the bottom of the beauty blender saga. All right, so I'm gonna do, this is the Tom Ford primer. Yes, you can go follow my TikTok. I've only posted 2 or 3 videos and that was 6 months ago, but I have recorded, probably 50 TikToks that are in drafts right now. I wanted to get a bunch recorded so that I could post them consistently before I started posting. So that's why you see me doing this kind of thing. I feel like people like when you put all the different shades on before you blend them, so we're going to try that first. I don't usually do it this way. Okay, and now we blend. All right, so we're gonna set this first, then under eye. And I'm gonna go ahead and bronze that just to make myself feel better. But yeah, this has pinks. Technically, this is some darker purple shades, so we'll do this, okay? All right, so we're gonna try pinks and purples today. So I'm just gonna go big and start with the bright pink transitions today. Now I have to make this match because I don't really even know what I did. That's really hard to see. I mean, I'm not opposed to wearing like a colored shadow or something. I just feel like every time I do, it's more because I'm like putting together a look. Wipe away some all out here. We'll do a mix of like pink and gold glitter. We're gonna smudge some darker purple underneath. All right, I'm gonna clean it up here a little bit just to speed this process along, because I don't know how much of that footage is gonna be usable anyway. Gonna add a smidge. That's gonna be really hard to do on camera. Also, those colors aren't good. I mean, whatever, we'll just do the dark purple. Okay. All right, let's contour. That fixes everything. My setup is rough today, dude. Now we blend. I will use this Patrick Ta blush because it's freaking awesome though. I feel like I'm like at a beauty pageant right now. There's like the mom of the contestant that is singing and she's not good at all, but they're like, oh, she did so great. And it's like, no, she didn't do so great. I know I didn't do so great. Working on it, okay? Let's do some brows. Also, I don't know that I can get behind this pink eyeshadow. That's a lot. I think it's just too pink. Like I need more subtle pink. Now we do mascara. Yesterday I tried Pat McGrath Lip Trio. It was so good. This stuff literally lasted until after 5 p.m. I think we left the park. We went to the park yesterday and we left the park at like 7:15. And I looked in the car mirror and it was like, you could tell the lipstick was pretty cracked and like definitely could use a re-up on the lipstick and the gloss. But through 5 p.m. everything lasted like it honestly looked very similar to like when I put it on in the first place. So like a real big fan of this. The staying power, top notch. So we're gonna use that again today. Now time for the lipstick and our gloss. Whew, man, this has been a journey, like a mental, emotional journey this morning. Okay, all right, and spray. It looks way better at night camera. It's just the makeup's real heavy and like the foundation, like I put on like double what I usually wear, just because I was trying to perform, you know, and was focused too much on like the visual of that application, not so much the impact of that application, and here's where we've landed. So things happen, you live, you learn, you film a TikTok. All right, we're gonna see if I can edit that at some point, maybe later tonight after a glass of wine, because I don't, once again, my forehead was real close to that camera, and all right, so gonna do a really awkward final look thing here. Enjoy. Oh man, that's gonna live on the internet for everyone to see. Cool. All right, guys, this is the final look today. This is all I have in me. Okay. You just watched a 30-year-old woman try to film a TikTok. Have a good day. If y'all want to see more of this, I am actually going to do it again tomorrow because I'm trying to make $1. So I got to figure out how to make this work in a good way. So if you want to see more of this train wreck, come on back tomorrow. We're going to be doing more TikToks, more Get Ready With Me's, but they're going to be better because practice makes perfect, and we are practicing tomorrow. So if you want to see more, come back tomorrow. I'm here every day, every weekday, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. Central Standard. If you want to see more of my typical streams, you can head on over to YouTube to watch past streams. All right, thanks for filming a TikTok with me today. We will see each other tomorrow. Bye.